Do you agree with the old adage about asset allocation? 100 minus your age for equity exposure. If not, what would be your method of asset allocation? Now, to explain to people who don't know what this is, the theory, the sort of adage is that you take your age. So if you're 40, you minus that from the number 100, which would give you 60, and your equity exposure in your portfolio should be around 60%. It's not hard and fast rule. It's a bit of a finger in the air type of rule. The other 40% would be in lower risk assets. Now, it's a good starting point for somebody who would be a medium risk type of investor, because what this rule doesn't allow for is the individual risk levels and their people's own fears and how and their own. It's not personalized for anybody. So you may have the example I gave, somebody who was 40, they may be really risk averse. Well, they won't want 60% equity exposure. They can have far less, and or should have far less. So they would need to adjust it. Now, what do I think about the rule? I actually think, as a basis, I think it's a good starting point. Now, I remember when I used to work in the city, and we used to go and see some of the investment banks and look at what they were doing, and they were seeing the very rich clients that the company I worked for had. And these guys were earning, guys and ladies, there was lawyers, they were earning millions of pounds a year. And I'd never met people so rich. And when we went to them with the discretionary fund managers who had all their very clever ways of investing money, and they had a very clever and expensive investments, I did almost laugh inwardly when I was talking to one of them, one of the investment banks, and at their heart of what they did was this basic principle. Now, I'm not saying they all do this, but it is something that is used as a gauge by some of the investment banks out there as a basis of trying to get people to understand risk and how much they should take. So it's not something that is outlandish. To give you an example of how you might adjust this, if you go to Money to the Masses and you look for our investment calculator, I actually built a calculator based upon this principle that's based around this whole what age you are, and then allows you to move it up and down based on your risk tolerance to see how your asset allocation might vary. So it will show you the potential asset allocation in global equities, UK equities, and it's based upon some of the leading ETFs that are out there that have, say, 60, 80%, 100% equity exposure. And so that shows you, if you move up and down the levels, what a diversified portfolio could look like if you wanted 60% equity exposure. So it kind of takes this rule and takes it onto another level. So I think personally it's a very good starting point. It's not a hard and fast rule. It's much more important that you pay attention to your own risk tolerance and your own personal circumstances when you build a portfolio. And there are a number of tools out there that help you do that to a much more accurate degree, a bit more Q&A and questionnaires that come up with a risk portfolio.